Hello, and welcome back to another Minecraft video. Instead of scattered now, just turning 9, so while I've during in between the episodes, I've been collecting wood. Got one stack of spruce, and I lost some because I died. Oopsies. I have to get some my bed out of here. You can't see my other videos. The first one was me getting like resources, but the second one was me actually starting to build a house. So yeah, just grabbed an axe like last time. So I don't have any stored yet. Oh, is there any like food or anything? First, getting kind of hungry here. Egg, that's some help. Is there anything else? Well, I guess not. We'll have to find the chicken or something. Chicken. So this video, I'm probably not going to be working on the house, because I found a cave nearby that I'll like to explore. It's like a ravine. It's a ravine. I didn't go in it though. Oh, it's kind of like spoiling it. So I did not go in it. Okay, guys, I did not go in it. Any other lucky pigs? Looks like the other one got escaped. I see one over there, but whatever. So, if I remember correctly, the ravine was this way. My spade blade with me. Oh, what just hit me? Does this hurt? I believe it's this way, if I'm correct. Let me just go back, because I'm not sure if I'm correct. Let me just go back. Come on back. Just like, let's put this back. So I go right up here. Let's go right up here. Is it over there? Might be over there. Let's go. Check that out. See if I can get. Too far. So where am I? Let's go see. Oh no. Let's go see. Make our way down carefully. That hurt. That wasn't really that careful. Was that? It's not over here, guys. I'm gonna have to go back, get some more food. Ooh, pumpkin. We can grab that. Make a pumpkin bomb. steal you, pumpkin. No! Oh, I thought it fell down there. I'm like, no! Become night. I'm gonna turn. Oh my. Okay, so it's not over here. It's not over here. Now we have 1 heart. Great. If we get hurt, guys, we're dead. So, I'm gonna plant down. I'm gonna keep. I think it must be the other way. Ask Mama. So now I know where I am. We're back at the spawn. That was very risky what we just did before. So it's this way. Slowly, carefully. Poof. Okay. We don't have any food, do we? Let's first put down our bed again. Put down our bed again. Okay, so we need to first find. That was so risky. We fell and got hurt. We're dead. We have to. Okay, so let's go kill some piggies. Be careful and step down. Oh, half a heart. Eat up, munch, munch, munch. There, let's kill some more. That's it. Piggies, any other piggies, any other piggies. So it looks like that's all the pigs. Oh, there's more here. Okay, one more. Good. Piggy, come back here, Piggy. I'm killing you, Piggy. Okay. Okay. Now we can go back. So I think maybe it should be around here somewhere. No, let's just back the way we came. Great. That was a zombie. The zombie just died. That gave me some suspicions. pumpkins. Okay. I know there's a ravine somewhere around here. If we don't find it in this episode, I'll look for it and I'll get back with it for the next following episode of the Scabbards. It's almost night. Turn it on peaceful. Just because we don't want any googly slingers on our wall around here. Horses! Cool. Well, but we don't have any weed. I'm not going to bring him back without weed. No clue. How do you make a saddle? Just leather, right? Yeah, just leather. Well, we know they're there. A mirror that we can't find. Another thing. Too bad. I have no clue where this cave is. I think I'm going to make this a short video and end it here, guys. I'll see you all next time. See you all later. Bye.